Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of software. But what exactly is software? In simple terms, software refers to a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer what to do. Unlike hardware, which is the physical part of a computer, software is intangible. It exists as code and data. From the operating system that boots up your computer to the apps you use every day, software is everywhere. Understanding software is the first step to unlocking the full potential of technology in our lives. Software comes in many forms, each serving a unique purpose. Broadly, it can be categorized into two main types: system software and application software. System software includes programs that manage the hardware and basic system operations, like operating systems. Application software, on the other hand, helps users perform specific tasks such as word processing or browsing the internet. Recognizing these categories helps us better understand how software fits into our daily routines. Let's take a closer look at system software. This type of software acts as the backbone of your computer. The most common example is the operating system, like Windows, macOS, or Linux. System software manages hardware resources, provides a platform for running applications, and ensures everything works together smoothly. Without system software, your computer wouldn't even be able to start up, let alone run your favorite program. Now let's talk about application software. This is the software you interact with most often. Think of word processors, web browsers, games, and photo editors. Application software is designed to help you accomplish specific tasks, whether it's writing a report, surfing the web, or editing a picture. These programs rely on system software to function, but they're what make computers truly useful for everyday activities. It's important to distinguish between software and hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, like the keyboard, monitor, and hard drive. Software, on the other hand, is the invisible force that brings hardware to life. Without software, hardware is just a collection of parts. Together, they form a complete functioning computer system. Operating systems are a key example of system software. They manage all other programs on your computer and handle communication between hardware and software. Popular operating systems include Windows, macOS, and Linux. Each offers a unique user experience, but all serve the same fundamental purpose, making it possible for you to use your computer efficiently and effectively. Utility software is another important category. These programs help maintain, analyze, and optimize your computer's performance. Examples include antivirus programs, disk cleaners, and backup tools. Utility software works behind the scenes to keep your system running smoothly, protecting it from threats and ensuring your data stays safe. Programming software is designed for developers who create new software. These tools include code editors, compilers, and debuggers. Programming software provides the environment needed to write, test, and debug code, making it possible for programmers to build everything from simple apps to complex operating systems. Without these tools, software development would be nearly impossible. Creating software is a complex process that involves planning, designing, coding, testing, and maintaining. Developers use programming languages to write instructions that computers can understand. The process often starts with identifying a problem or need, then designing a solution, coding it, and finally testing to ensure it works as intended. Maintenance is ongoing, as software needs updates and bug fixes over time. Programming languages are the tools developers use to create software. Popular languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Each language has its strengths and is suited for different types of projects. For example, Python is known for its simplicity, while C++ is valued for its performance. Learning a programming language is the first step to becoming a software developer. Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is a framework that guides the creation of software. It includes stages like requirement analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Following the SDLC helps teams deliver high-quality software on time and within budget. Each stage is crucial for ensuring the final product meets users' needs. Software can be open source or proprietary. Open source software is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and share. Examples include Linux and Firefox. Proprietary software like Microsoft Office is owned by a company and usually requires a license to use. Each model has its advantages, and the choice depends on your needs and preferences. Cloud software, or cloud computing, allows you to access programs and data over the internet instead of installing them on your device. Services like Google Drive and Microsoft 365 are popular examples. Cloud software offers flexibility, scalability, and convenience, making it easier to collaborate and access your files from anywhere. Mobile software refers to applications designed for smartphones and tablets. These apps range from social media platforms to productivity tools and games. Mobile software is optimized for touchscreens and smaller devices, providing users with powerful features on the go. The rise of mobile software has transformed how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. Web-based software runs in your internet browser, eliminating the need for installation. Examples include Google Docs and online banking platforms. These programs are accessible from any device with an internet connection, making them highly convenient for users who need flexibility and mobility in their work and personal lives. Embedded software is found in devices that aren't traditional computers, like cars, washing machines, and smart TVs. This software is designed to control specific hardware functions, making everyday devices smarter and more efficient. Embedded software is often invisible to users, but it plays a critical role in modern technology. Software updates are essential for keeping your programs secure and running smoothly. Updates can fix bugs, patch security vulnerabilities, and add new features. It's important to regularly update your software to protect your data and ensure you're getting the best possible performance from your devices. Software licensing determines how you can use a program. Some software is free, while others require you to purchase a license. Licenses can limit how many devices you can install the software on or how you can use it. Always read the license agreement to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user. Security is a major concern in the world of software. Developers work hard to protect programs from viruses, malware, and hackers. As a user, you can help by using strong passwords, keeping your software updated, and being cautious about what you download. Good security practices keep your data safe and your devices running smoothly. User interface, or UI, is how you interact with software. A good UI makes software easy to use and understand. It includes elements like buttons, menus, and icons. Developers spend a lot of time designing interfaces that are intuitive and visually appealing, ensuring users have a positive experience. Software compatibility refers to how well a program works with different devices, operating systems, or other software. Developers test their programs to ensure they run smoothly across various platforms. Compatibility is important for users who work with multiple devices or need to share files with others. Performance is a key factor in software quality. Fast, responsive programs make tasks easier and more enjoyable. Developers optimize software to use system resources efficiently, reducing lag and crashes. As a user, you can improve performance by closing unused programs and keeping your system updated. Many programs allow you to customize settings to fit your preferences. Customization options might include changing themes, adjusting layouts, or adding plugins. Personalizing your software can make it more comfortable and efficient to use, helping you get the most out of your digital tools. Good software comes with support options to help users solve problems. Support might include user manuals, online help centers, or customer service teams. If you run into trouble, these resources can guide you through troubleshooting and ensure you get the most from your software. Documentation is a vital part of software. It includes instructions, guides, and references that help users and developers understand how to use or modify a program. Well-written documentation makes learning new software easier and helps troubleshoot issues when they arise. Testing is a crucial step in software development. It involves checking programs for bugs, errors, and usability issues before release. Developers use various testing methods to ensure software works as intended and provides a smooth user experience. Thorough testing helps prevent problems and improves overall quality. Software bug is an error or flaw in a program that causes it to behave unexpectedly. Bugs can range from minor glitches to major issues that crash the software. Developers work hard to find and fix bugs before release, but sometimes they slip through. Regular updates and patches help address these problems. Patches are small updates released to fix bugs or security vulnerabilities in software. Installing patches promptly is important for keeping your program secure and functioning properly. Developers release patches regularly in response to newly discovered issues, so staying up to date is key. Installing software means copying it onto your device so you can use it. The process usually involves downloading a file, running an installer, and following on-screen instructions. Some software is installed from physical media like CDs, while others are downloaded from the internet. Always download software from trusted sources to avoid malware. Uninstalling software removes it from your device. This can free up space and improve performance. Most operating systems provide tools to help you uninstall programs safely. It's a good idea to remove software you no longer use to keep your system organized and efficient. Software piracy is the illegal copying, distribution, or use of software. Piracy hurts developers and can expose users to security risks. Always use legal, licensed software to support creators and protect your devices from malware and other threats. Freeware is software you can use at no cost, while shareware is offered for free on a trial basis. After the trial, you may need to pay to continue using it. Both types provide affordable ways to try new programs, but always check for limitations or potential security risks. Software as a service, or SaaS, delivers software over the internet, usually through a subscription. Examples include Salesforce and Adobe Creative Cloud. SaaS makes it easy to access the latest features without worrying about installation or updates, as everything is managed by the provider. Software ecosystem is a network of related programs, tools, and services that work together. For example, Apple's ecosystem includes macOS, iOS, and various apps that sync seamlessly. Ecosystems make it easier to share data and maintain a consistent user experience across devices. Software industry is always evolving. Current trends include artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. These technologies are making software smarter and more capable, transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovation. Staying informed about trends helps you make the most of new tools and features. Businesses rely heavily on software for everything from accounting to customer relationship management. Specialized business software helps companies streamline operations, analyze data, and improve productivity. The right software can give businesses a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. Education has been transformed by software. Learning management systems, educational apps, and online courses make it easier for students and teachers to connect and share knowledge. Software enables personalized learning and access to resources from anywhere in the world. Healthcare software supports patient care, medical records, and diagnostics. Electronic health records, telemedicine, and medical imaging software are just a few examples. These tools improve efficiency, accuracy, and patient outcomes, making healthcare more accessible and effective. Entertainment software includes games, streaming platforms, and creative tools for music and video production. These programs provide endless options for fun and creativity, connecting people around the world through shared experiences and content. Software is everywhere in our daily lives, from the alarm clock app that wakes you up to the navigation software that guides you to work. It helps us communicate, shop, learn, and relax. As technology advances, software will continue to play an even bigger role in shaping our routines and experiences. Looking ahead, software will become even more integrated into our lives. Advances in artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things will create new possibilities. As software evolves, it will continue to drive innovation and change the way we live, work, and connect with each other. Learning about software is a valuable skill in today's digital world. Whether you're interested in using software more effectively or creating your own programs, there are countless resources available. Online tutorials, courses, and communities can help you expand your knowledge and stay up to date with the latest developments. With so many options available, choosing the right software can be challenging. Consider your needs, budget, and compatibility with your devices. Reading reviews and trying free trials can help you make informed decisions and find the best tools for your tasks. Using software safely is crucial in the digital age. Always download programs from trusted sources, use strong passwords, and keep your software updated. Being cautious online helps protect your data and ensures a positive experience with your digital tools. Sum up: software is the invisible engine that powers our digital world. From system software that runs our devices to applications that help us work and play, software is essential in every aspect of modern life. Understanding the basics of software opens up new opportunities and helps you make the most of technology. Thanks for joining this introduction to software. Your journey into the digital world has just begun.